Has there ever been a better time to jump online and start to build an online business, even if you don't have any experience at all? But why learn something new? For me, it was simple. I'm absolutely passionate about being able to spend and afford quality time with my daughter, making memories before, like all kids, she grows and grows up too flaming quick and doesn't think her old dad is that cool anymore. Secondly, I absolutely love fitness, adventure and having a go at any type of activity I can get these hands on. What I could never understand though is why fun times with family and friends are secondary to spending 40 plus hours a week at work, stuck in traffic and sitting behind the laptop on Teams all day. I believe everyone is worth more. I believe that everyone should be given the opportunity to learn digital skills, to build an online business that can change your life forever, give you more precious time back with your family and enable you to start living life on your own terms without having to invest all your savings, get into debt and use all your spare time to get started. What I'll do is I'll pop a link to the free workshop series that got me started in the Learn More button in the description below. Now, just so we're clear, I love my job, but not so long ago I was looking in the mirror and thinking, you're 37, you're 38 years old, surely you should be a little bit further on in life by now. Maybe, just maybe you're underachieving. Are you even earning what you think you're worth? Maybe you've been playing it safe, coasting along in the security of a job you've known for years. Now, that was fine until a pandemic comes along and affects every industry and you're sitting there thinking the security of the job has now gone, or it might go at any given moment. So what are you going to do? You haven't got a trade like an electrician or a plumber or something like that to fall back on. You don't want to let anyone down. This has been playing on my mind for a few days when I was watching a channel on YouTube, and that's when I saw an ad like this from a chap called Mike. He was a normal bloke like me. He basically told me, stop wasting my time on YouTube and start tapping into a multi-billion-dollar a day marketplace. If you can spend money online, you can make money online. Straight away, I thought to myself, I know I can spend money online, no problem at all. But is this just another one of those things that you see on the internet that you can't trust? However, I knew I was looking for something to bridge the gap in my skill set that could bring me an alternative income. But I wouldn't have a clue where to start. What would I even sell online? And how would I overcome the technical skills required to run an online business? Even though I was sceptical, if I could overcome these issues, would the end result be worth the hard work? I'd already had results in other parts of my life, so I knew if I put the work in, I could pretty much achieve anything. I reached out to Mike. He sent me the completely free workshop series. The link to them is attached to the Learn More button in and around this video. Those videos outlined all the opportunities that are available to start up online and introduce you, more importantly, to a community that help complete beginners build a business of your dreams with the help of their easy to use online training platform. I was absolutely amazed at the support you receive from the digital community of like-minded entrepreneurs. They help you tackle every obstacle in your way. The beauty of the community is how many different types of people are learning and celebrating together, from complete newbies to people running 6 to even 7-figure businesses. Now, you've probably heard enough by now. So if you're interested in escaping that 9-to-5 treadmill, getting your life back to spend more time with your loved ones, doing what's most important, going on holidays, going to parties, camping, doing all the hobbies, then you know what to do. Click the learn more button in this video. You'll be redirected to my website. Give me your contact details and I'll send you that completely free video series straight to your inbox. I look forward to working with you on the other side.